Hi, second graders, it's Mr. Manko. Today is day 2 of our math routine of skip counting by fives, right? So to remind us of our I can, what we can do today, I can use the number line to help me skip count by fives. So the other day we skip counted by fives up to 100, okay? Today we're gonna do the same thing, but we also might see numbers bigger than 100. But we're still going to skip count by fives, okay? So as you can see, Mr. Manko has a number line here from 0 all the way to the number 100, all right? I'm going to skip count by fives on this number line. Watch and listen to Mr. Manko. Ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, very good. Now I want you to try skip counting by fives with me. Ready? Starting at 0, right? Nice loud voices. Let's go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. Now I want you to try skip counting by fives on your own. Starting at 0. Ready? Go. Very good job. All right, so our next number line, you see, is from 0 all the way to, I don't know, we gotta figure it out. So in order to figure out these blanks, we have to skip count by what? Yep, skip count by 5. When we skip count by 5, we're just adding 5 to the number we already see. Okay, so we have 0, 5. What's our missing number? Just going to add 5 to 5. Put 5 in your pocket, count up 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I skip count from 5, add another 5, we should land on 10. Let's see. Yes, all right. Let's skip count to our next blank box. Starting at 0. 0, 5, 10, 15. Oh, I heard some of you say it. 20. Yeah, very good. 20. All right, let's skip count by fives to our next blank box. Ready? Starting from 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I heard some of you say it. Do you guys think it's 30? Let's check. Thumbs up if you thought 30. Very good. All right, let's skip count again to our next blank box. Starting at 0. Ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Heard you say it. What is it? Very good, 35. Awesome. All right, our next blank box is over here. Without Mr. Manko's help, what do you think comes after 40? For skip counting by fives. Just add 5 to 40. Once you have an answer, put a thumbs up. All right, shout out your answer. All right, let's prove it. Let's check. Ready? Starting back at 0, let's skip count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Very good. Now we have 40, 45, 50. I have 2 missing numbers. What do you think those numbers are? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Who wants to yell out our first blank number? Yeah, I heard some of you say it, 55. Let's see. Very good. Then I have another blank, missing number, blank box. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, blank, 65. What number is here? What number do you think is there? Just add 5 to 55. Let's do it together. Put 55 in your pocket, count up. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Let's check. Yep, are we right? Yeah, right. Let's start back at 0, skip count by 5s. Ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Then we have 75. What do you think is in our missing box, in our box? Chat out your answer. Let's see if you're right. 70? Let's see. Very good. Well, after 70, we have 75. Then we have another missing number. What number do you think goes there? I heard some of you say 80. Thumbs up if you agree. Let's see. Yes, very good. So I have 70, 75, 80, 85, blank, 95. So I have 85. What's 85 plus 5? Who can tell us? 90? Let's see. Very good. All right, so let's start back at 0. Skip counting by 5s to see what our last number will be. Ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Heard some of you say it. 100. Awesome job. So we just skip counted by 5s all the way up to 100 on our number line. Awesome job. Right? Let's look at this slide. We have numbers bigger than 100. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We're still skip counting by 5s, right? I have 100. If I add 5 to 100, I get to 105. If I add 5 to 105, I get to 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150. So these are our numbers from 100 to 150 if we skip count by 5s. Okay? All right. So we have another number line with some missing numbers which we need to figure out by skip counting by 5s. All right, so we have the number 100 all the way through 150. Right? We have 3 missing numbers. Right? We got to try and figure out what those 3 missing numbers are. Right? So let's start together at 100. Ready? Let's count together. 100, 105, 110, 115. I have 125. What number do you think is missing? What number would go in this first missing box? I have 100, 105, 110, 115, 100, and 125. And watch, if Mr. Mako covers up her hundreds place, doesn't it look like what we started with the other day? 5, 10, 15, 25. I heard some of you say 20, but it's not 20, it's 120, right? Let's check. Yes, so let's reread starting at 100 all the way to 125. Ready? 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125. I have another missing number. 135, 140. What number do you think is here in our missing spot? Look at what we have so far. 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. Do you guys agree? Let's see. Are we right? Yes. All right. Let's start back at 100, skip counting by fives all the way to our next missing number. Ready? Together. 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, and then 150. Give you a few seconds to think about what number you think belongs. All I would have to do is add 5 to 140. Give you a few seconds. And 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. Thumbs up once you have an answer. Shout out your answer in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see if you're right. Did you get 145? I did. I took 140 and I added 5. Put 140 in your pocket. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. Very good. All right, let's start back at the beginning of this number line, which is 100, and count all the way up to 150. With Mr. Menko, ready? Let's go. 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150. Awesome job today. I will see you tomorrow.